Major Getts has unique experience from previous assignments where he actually got to spend a year with Amazon.com working with industry and understanding how they do business and bring those agile tools to the Air Force, helping us accomplish our mission.
During my time at Amazon.com, I was exposed to the leadership principles that really drive the company and help them go fast and stay nimble. And those principles actually align pretty well with the agile principles that are well known out there in industry. So I consider that really the beginning of my path for agile. Now that I'm at SMC, is brought some of those agile principles to the teams here so we can change how we think about the work we do.
My first month here, Major Getts came up and said, all right, launch team, we're going to do something completely different. We're going to try this new DI2E platform. Throughout the experience, we have learned that it's actually very good. It has increased our efficiency, has made things more simple, and has definitely assisted in moving on to the AEHF-5 launch that's currently being worked.
Epic speed for AEHF-4 is with this development suite that we have, we were able to perform more tasks more efficiently, even though we were only about 75% manpower of what we would have had for previous launch campaigns.
We don't have to reinvent because when he started, he had zero continuity with all of the military personnel. So now I'm starting and I've got 67 tasks already assigned. I've already got the who's the POCs, who do we need to contact, oh, here's the old paperwork for it. I've got all of that I can start my process with. Capt did not have any of that.
The faster we can respond to change, the more likely we are to deliver the right capability to the warfighters. And we just demonstrated this with the last launch of AEHF-4, where we worked with the launch enterprise to reconfigure a launch vehicle very rapidly so that we can maximize the resiliency of the spacecraft.